Hi, so this is my gardening part 2 where I am going to take my little seedlings and replant them with my potting mix into my self-watering container, and I'm just loving this. So I grew them in these little pots, and now I'm ready to add some soil so they can be self-growing. Here we go. So now you can see they are replanted in the soil and watered in the self-watering, and I am hoping that they just flourish now. I am putting little stickers behind them, parsley that I made, basil. I'm going to get little sticks for this, chives, cilantro, and dill.